Greetings, traders. To locate and use the custom indicators in TopstepX, click on Indicators at the top of the chart. Search for TopstepX. Click on the name of the indicator you wish to add to your chart, and click on the star to add it to your favorites, which will bring it to the top of the list. The TopstepX VIDYA indicator is an adaptive moving average that speeds up in trends and slows down in the chop. It adjusts its smoothing speed based on the Shande momentum oscillator calculation. To customize, mouse over the name of the indicator and click on the settings icon. Under the inputs section, the length specifies the number of previous candles to use to calculate the moving average. The CMO length specifies the number of previous candles to use to calculate how quickly the indicator adapts to momentum changes. Under the Style section, choose the line color, the line style, and the line type. The TopstepX VIDYA indicator is ideal when you want a moving average that automatically adjusts to ever-changing market conditions.